Alrighty, today we are checking out some awesome earbuds from a company called Raycon. They have hooked me up with their everyday earbuds to showcase on my channel and show you guys and let you know what they are all about. So let's put these to the test. We haven't done any unboxings on earbuds in a long time, so it's gonna be pretty exciting to check them out and see what they're all about. So without further ado, let's hop straight into this unboxing. Alrighty guys, we're gonna do an unboxing on the headphones here. First of all, we've got a passive noise cancellation. Obviously the way they are built, they are passive noise cancellation, which is awesome. 32 hours of battery life. Surround sound, we've got the blue color here. They are IPX6 water resistant, which is awesome. Awareness mode, which I guess will be like transparency mode on the iPhone, and also says all day comfort, wireless charging case as well, which is great. Let's unbox these and check them out. All right, these just should slide out like that. Beautiful. It says powering up there. Let's take that off. Oh, they look very, okay, it's very small. Do have a bunch of instructions here, as you guys can see. Welcome to the Raycon Club. Instructions and how to use them and where to put them in properly, how to put them in properly, should I say. What each earbud does, which is good to know. And yeah, that's about it. Let's chuck that to the side for now. Back to the headphones themselves. They are tiny, wow. Looks like we have a charging cable here. Got a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. These are obviously USB-C, which is good. And we have a little lanyard that you can attach there if you want that, but I don't really want that. And yeah, that's what we get. It is a branded as well, so it says Raycon logos on there, so nice little touch. That's what we get in the box, and here are the headphones themselves. To unbox these, okay. They are already flashing, here we go. They are tiny. I thought they were gonna be way bigger than that for some reason. The box makes them look huge. Nice little case, wireless charging case. Lights on the front, I guess, show the charge state of the actual case themselves, which I guess is 32 hours maximum charge. It won't be the headphones, so let's connect these up. Alright, I did miss, at the bottom of the actual package, there's ear tips and a sticker. Alright, so I thought that there should have been other ear tips. Yeah, there's a lot of other ear tips. Wow. Okay, another 4 to choose from, which is great. It's probably like an extra small, I guess medium and large. I don't know what this would be then. Let's just stick with the normal ones for now. Alright, I put the headphones in now. Play some music. Alright, they sound okay so far. Just if I hold the right one down for apparently... Okay, so there's different sound profiles. So if I hold this side down for 1.5 seconds, awareness mode... Alright, that is a bit better. The only problem I have with this is, and one thing that the AirPods do really, really well, that's kind of my base, I guess, to compare it to. The awareness mode, I sound really echoey right now. So right now, I can, I sound like... it's hard to explain. It just sounds like my ears are muffled. It's like, I guess when your ears are blocked and you try to talk, that's what it sounds like right now. So it doesn't actually sound, I guess, as transparent as like what the AirPods do. Just thought I should mention that. 3 different sound modes as well. There's balance sound, there's bass sound, and there's pure sound. So let's try them all out. Okay, there's bass one now. Definitely deeper sound. I've got the volume about 60% right now. All right, so I turn awareness mode off. Take this back out. All right, so with them going in normally, they kind of create their own, I guess, noise cancellation. They kind of block out sound like they did say. Like it says on the package, passive noise cancellation, it kind of does do that. The only problem I have is the awareness mode doesn't really work that well, I think. I don't know, in here right now in my office, I'm kind of talking and I just sound so muffled, and I just, yeah, like you put AirPods in and you talk, and it's kind of, you kind of forget sometimes that you have them in. With this, you don't. You know straight away that it's in awareness mode. I think with awareness mode off, it probably is a bit better, and obviously the music, I don't know, for whatever reason, the music sounds a bit better with awareness mode off as well. In terms of quality of the music, it does sound pretty good. They are $127 Australian. In my ears, they are a bit snug, so if I change the ear tips, it might fit a bit better, maybe a bit looser, I guess. The other thing is, to have a nice seal, you kind of need them to be a bit tight in your ears so they can have that passive noise cancellation. They are good headphones for $127. Wireless charging case as well, 36-hour battery life. It is pretty good. The case is a little bit plasticky, but for $127, I think they are fine. They do really well. It's just the awareness mode that I'm not sold on, but everything else, I have no problem with it. I like how flush they sit in your ear. Like, they don't really protrude at all. Like, they're pretty flush to the ear. They don't feel like they're coming out at all. Probably can go for a run with these and they won't come out. There is a fitness one that probably fits a little bit better in your ear, in terms of like kind of curves with your ear, but for $127, these sound pretty good. With the 3 different sound profiles, I feel like the bass one is definitely heavier and it is a lot more thumpier, I guess. The pure sound and the balance sound pretty similar. I haven't really found a difference in that, but they do sound pretty good. For $127, they are really clear. I have the audio sounds great. The audio sounds very clear. You can definitely notice the surround sound. Now that I'm just sitting there here listening to it, you can definitely notice surround sound in it. That's what it sounds a bit different to the AirPods. I really like it. I really do like them. For $127, guys, these Raycon everyday earbuds, check them out. Look how small that is. That's tiny. One thing I want to test out before I end the video. Okay. They make a nice intro sound. It's weird. All right, I want to try out the mic. I always try out the mic. Let's try it out now. Let's try out this mic for phone calls, what it sound like. All right, we are now recording with the internal mic on the Raycon everyday earbuds. What do they sound like? Hopefully, they sound pretty good. I think they sound fine. I really think even AirPods don't sound the best anyway, but these sound, for what they are, for the price range, these sound excellent. It's clear, the audio's fine. The mic does work pretty well. If you're in the market for some new headphones, check out the everyday earbuds from Raycon. Really do like them. For $127 Australian, they are great. Can't fault them. The only thing I'm not sold on is the awareness mode. But apart from that, like, these sound solid. There's all controls on the earbuds, touch, tap, and push the controls as well. They fit in your ear, or for my ears anyway, pretty well. There's 4 different ear tips you can choose from, 5 including the ones that are included on the actual headphones. USB-C charging, wireless charging, surround sound, passive noise cancellation as well. There is a whole bunch of features with these headphones, and for $127 you probably can't go wrong. I think they've done a really good job. Raycon, good job. If you can tweak maybe the awareness mode a little bit more, I reckon these will be one of the best, I guess, headphones I've tried out for this price range, definitely. So thank you to Raycon for hooking me up with these headphones to show you guys what they're all about. I'll leave all the links in the description down below to check out these headphones, and yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys next week for another video.